In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add small reference numbers in PowerPoint. This process is straightforward once you know where to find the right options, and it will only take about 5 minutes. Whether you're creating academic presentations, reports, or just want to enrich your slides with properly formatted references, adding superscript numbers can greatly enhance your presentation's professionalism. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to open Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. Make sure you have the app installed and you're signed into your account if necessary. Once you're in, you'll either create a new presentation or open an existing one. For today's demonstration, let's assume that you already have a presentation open. Navigate to the slide where you want to add that reference number. It's all about enhancing the existing content in a seamless way. Next, you'll need to locate the text to which you want to add a small reference number. Perhaps it's a piece of data, a quote, or a section that refers to another part of your presentation, or even an external source. Click on that particular text box to activate it. This action will allow you to make edits directly in the typed content. With the text box active, find the exact location in the content where you want your reference number to appear. Once identified, use your cursor to click at the end of the relevant sentence or word. Now, let's type the number you plan to use as a reference. This will most likely be a small, single-digit or double-digit number, depending on the extent of your referencing needs. Now that your number is in place, our next focus is on changing its style to superscript so that it appears smaller and slightly raised compared to the standard text. To do this, highlight the number you just typed with your cursor. This step ensures that any formatting changes we make apply only to the number and not the entire text. After highlighting the number, right-click on it. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. Look for font in this menu and click on it. A new window will pop up, displaying a variety of text formatting options that you can apply to your selected content. In the font window, you'll see a section labeled Effects. This is where you'll find the Superscript option. Click on the checkbox next to Superscript to select it. When you do this, you'll notice a preview of how your number will appear once the effect is applied. Confirm your choice by clicking OK. And just like that, your reference number is now a superscript, giving it a neat professional look on your slide. That's all it takes to add small reference numbers in PowerPoint. Practice makes perfect, so try this out on various slides to become comfortable with the process. Thanks for watching and happy presenting.